shida.
Ogai mar obila Douglas Kanja oyango ni en adiera ni mibadhi osebedo ka okwako kepo mar obila mapacho ka kuom kinde mokalo kata kamano singone jopiny ni kinde ni mibadhi ok bibedo. Bende jatend migawo mar arita Kipchumba Murkomen onyiso jopiny mondo mak jogo machiwo mit bilie e kinde kepo mag obila kendo chwalgi ne obila. En twak manokelo kanyakla jodito mawuok e bad migawo mar arita moting'o jatend migawo mar arita Kipchumba Murkomen, Ogai mar obila Douglas Kanja, jagoro mongirore bad migawo mar arita Raymond Omolo, Director mar okwach kich Mohamed Amin, e kind jotelo mamoko kod jopiny e wi chal mar arita mapacho ka kokalo e Citizen TV. Ogai mar obila Douglas Kanja noyudore rot madiny mar keto e lela mibadhi ma jopiny yuago ni ogo tach e kepo mar obila.
If a young man is recruited knowing that the parent bribed so that he can get the chance to be a police officer, how will that young man behave when he gets into the service?
It is true. In recruitment, there is a lot of corruption. That is something that we know. And this time around, I want to assure you, Trevor, and the rest of the Kenyan people, this time around we are going to recruit police officers in a manner that has actually been described there. You walk in, if you are qualified, you get recruited, period. That is exactly what myself, together with the leadership here, that is what we want. And we are ready for information. Any person who will go against that spirit, we are ready to take someone home to the jail.
Jatend migawo mar arita Kipchumba Murkomen owacho ni duol mandiko obila e tich NPSC kaachiel kod duol mar obila National Police Service nitiere okenge mogik mag keto lere lai mong'ith mar kama idhi time kepo kaponi biro time mbui kata chiel kachiel.
But the discussions around, do you go fully online, and then what happens when someone in illiterate in Marsabit gets to the station and they were unable to be shortlisted online. Now he reaches there, he was unable to go online, and then he goes to recruitment center and he's told you are not eligible because you have not been shortlisted. So those are some of the things that the National Police Service Commission with the National Police Service working together to make sure that they finalize the details. But this is one of the directives I gave to the Commission, that they need to complete the process during daylight, in the presence of everybody. At least it will guarantee some level of transparency.
Oparo ne jopiny ni gibed ka ging'eyo ni gin kod nyalo kod ratiro mar ndiyo jogo machiwo mit bilie kinde kepo mar obila kendo chwalo neno magiyudo ne obila matimo nonro.
Themselves, they know so and so bought, so and so paid, so and so paid, and the only thing they do is to complain. I don't know if citizens know that they have also something called citizens arrest, that you can arrest someone on site and deliver them to police station. You can even arrest them with the money and take them to the police station. Yeah? And even you can keep the XP so that you can produce in court. And let me say this. So as part of the recruitment this time round, we have said, one, it should end by 4. They are going to agree, either 4 or 5 during daylight. 2, they must involve community.
Bende okwayo jopiny mondo gibed machiegni kendo gilu chenro mag kepo mag obila mar konyo e thiro chenro mag mibadhi. Cynthia Onyango, Ramogi TV.